Hey guys, welcome to Yardie Belly Kitchen. So this is the wifey, and today I'm going to be trying my hand at making some swordfish. Never tried it before. So we have the Hawaiian swordfish steaks. Yes, wild caught. And we are going to be going ahead and starting the cooking process. So in the pan, I have the already seasoned steaks. And the only thing I added is a little bit of Cajun seasoning, some paprika, black pepper, and some red crushed pepper. Also, I have two herbs. I have some fresh thyme and fresh rosemary, and then I just drizzled a little bit of olive oil, and it is being seasoned and resting for the marinade to take effect. And now I'm gonna go ahead and start pan searing it. Let's go. So to my pan, I'm adding a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. And I'm also adding some unsalted butter, just allowing that to come to melt before I go ahead and add the fish. All right, so I'm adding the fish to the pan now. All right, so we're gonna just make the thing stir and make sure that one side is properly cooked. No more than 3 minutes is good, and then I'm gonna just flip it. The fire is actually on medium heat, so don't make it too hot, don't make it too cold. all right, we're gonna flip the fish now. Ooh, perfect. Lightly seared.
Ooh, perfect.
Lightly seared. Somebody take over.
Wow. I just want to make sure you get a good sauce.
Oh, wow.
Alright, so we're rubbing some butter.
Guys, I'm going to interpret what that means. You want to make sure we get a good sauce. You not putting in these?
No. Yeah, don't put that.
We're adding our garlic to the butter and the capers. And this is a garlic butter swordfish dish, guys. Alright. So now that is simmering, he's adding some rice wine. No.
Marine. Which is the same thing.
Yeah, cooking wine. Ooh. Bring that to a simmer.
Just let the marine catch up a little bit. Up to temp, and I'm going to put a little bit more butter.
Okay.
And I don't want the butter to crack. You want the butter to stay creamy. So you just want to melt it in. Make it stay creamy and nice. You don't want it to turn into oil, just sauce of oil.
Alright.
Okay.
Now we're going to add back
The fish then. All that juices from the fish. Turn on your stove.
the stove on low.
Okay. Squeeze a lemon.
Guys, lemon and fish go together like bun and cheese. Oh, let me find another example, because if you're not Jamaican, then that would not make any sense.
And our gravy is just simmering down. Yes, we have, do our best to make the butter not break, but it got already. And we're just simmering the fish now with just coating the fish with our lemon pepper butter sauce, and then we're ready to plate.
All right, time for the sharing. We have some quinoa that we steamed. And I'm just going to serve the swordfish on top. And of course, drizzle a little bit of the sauce. And sprinkle with some green onions.
And here's the finished dish, guys. We made a little bit of a spring mix salad, and we had this for dinner. This is a great idea for weekday or weeknight dinners. And of course, me like salad dressing, so I add dressing to mine. Remember to like and share and subscribe and try this in your neck of the woods. We got our swordfish at Sprouts. You can check out your local supermarket if they have that. Big up on yourself, Yardie TV says so.